What's up, you guys? So it is early evening. Woke up from a nap. I had to be up really early for a photo shoot this morning, so when I got home I just wanted to rest. We pretty much crimped my hair, but you can see like it's all out because I slept on it. So I'm gonna make a burger. So I'm actually gonna make my hamburger in the air fryer, which I've never done, but it's something you can do. And what I used to season it is Lori's garlic powder and black pepper. All right, so here is my burger. It turned out pretty good and it cooked in like 20 minutes. And I'm watching Psyche. It's a pretty cool anime. It's just very quirky and the humor is dry, but it's an easy show to watch. And I'm gonna finish cleaning and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Buen dia. Sorry, my washer is going. I'm actually headed into my 9 to 5 just for a few hours, but I'm actually transitioning out of that. As far as my hair, how it's looking with the little leftover waves in there. I actually want to put my hair up in a bun, but I just got a bucket hat made, like a crochet bucket hat, and I'm gonna try it one today. I'm gonna pick it up. I have to take out the bun so I can try on the hat. It's not worth me trying to finesse this bun and then I had to take it right back down. Oh, we'll do my usual 2 pieces out in the front and a little bun in the back, but I promise you guys, I'm going to experiment a lot more with my hair now because I don't have to be in like a quote-unquote more professional setting. Here's the hair for today, and let's get some food. So a client gave me this tea for Christmas, and it seems like some really fancy black tea. It smells amazing, and it looks so cute. Here are the little tea bags. We're gonna try one today. And then I'm gonna heat up 2 of the little sausage links and 1 of the sausage patties. I initially got this one, but this was the wrong one. The chicken and maple actually tastes a lot better. And then I just wrap it up in some bread. So that's gonna be my breakfast for today. So after work, I met up with Abby and we went to this place called Brew, which is in Wicker Park if you are in Chicago. And we got crepes and they were absolutely incredible. I like editing this and want to go back right now. And then we did a little shopping at Levi's, but she had just come back home from being out of town for the holidays, so we wanted to hang out for a little bit.
Okay, I'll narrate what Sierra's doing in case you're confused. She is currently flipping the flap of the shoe and inserting her foot. She will be taking these things called laces and lacing them, which is honestly more difficult than it looks. I had to do that for my New Balance shoes and I had to Google a YouTube video. It's not cooperating.
All right, so I just made it back into my apartment and I locked my keys in my car. So let's go get my vaccination card, and I just got all distracted. Anyway, I'm home safe and I have on my bucket hat that I designed and got made that is crocheted. I'm gonna take you guys in this bathroom mirror to see if you can see it any better. But there you go. I got so many compliments on it today. And I even got 3 orders, so this is definitely, I'm working on a website right now with my designs, and this is going to be something that goes on there, but I'm obsessed with this hat. Anyway, I am going to finish doing laundry, settle down, and tomorrow I'm going to meet up with Abby again, and we are going to work on sending stuff out to photographers and agencies and just people in the industry, just to kind of help us get on our feet a little bit more with this modeling. So completely forgot I had a package waiting for me downstairs, so I ordered some stuff to start shooting in, and then I was just going to return it, but now I'm like, oh, I kind of want to keep some of this stuff, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. This first dress I got because I thought it would be a very cool piece to shoot in, and cutouts are like super on trend for this year. This I'm absolutely obsessing over because blazers is supposed to be another huge trend, but I do not like blazers, but this is just like everything. And then I styled it with some wide leg gray wash jeans with the knee cut, so I felt like this would be a really cool like photo. These jeans here are cool. I'm not in love with them like I was the last pair, so these will be easier for me to return, but I also thought they would just be a cool little pair to shoot in. And then this top is actually something that I got during the Zara sale that's going on right now, and I bought it just for a shoot that I just did, so I'm taking this back. The shirt is also cute. I kind of want to keep it too, but I'll give myself 3 pieces to choose from. You guys tell me which 3 pieces I should keep. The next thing is this dress. Actually, I already have the top to this, but I thought the dress was just as cool. I'm wearing black Spanx underneath, so it's kind of hard to tell, but the whole dress is laser cut, And I would wear a white camisole dress underneath just to have a nice little contrast, but I don't have that right now, so just showing you guys with some Spanx. This is the last little thing that I got, and it's a sequins one shoulder top, and this is actually another trend for this year. It's like sequins in the daytime. So it's the next day. Excuse my outfit. I know I've probably worn this like at least 4 or 5 times on camera the past 2 weeks. It has been washed, but your girl just needs some more clothes. Anyway, I'm about to walk over to my friend Abby's house, and we're gonna work on some networking, trying to reach out to photographers, and work on some social media stuff as well to try to get our following up. So if you do enjoy my content, please make sure to share it because it helps me out more than you would think. But anyway, for my hair, since we're not really doing anything, I just put it in a bun, and I had moisturized my ends with the hair fertilizer by ORS, and then I just kind of combed out some of the tangles and got some of the shedded hairs out and put it in a little bun. Let me get on my shoes and get over to Abby's. I just made it to Abby's, and her place is adorable, and she has the best view. So Abby is making pancakes.
Yes.
And what are we doing?
So this is the dry ingredients, and it's literally just flour, sugar, and there was one other thing. Oh, baking powder. And so there's actually like I meant salt. There's no like sugar in it. Like you don't like physically put sugar. And here it's 1 mashed banana, Trader Joe's coconut milk, which is my favorite. You don't have to use it.
Oh, I forgot darn it.
That's
my whipped
okay.
cream.
I have plenty. This is the maple syrup I was talking about. So banana, milk, and then it's actually you put 2 tablespoons of maple syrup in there, and that's like the sweetener. But it's like more natural. And then I'm just gonna pour this in here and then add my lovely chocolate chips, and it's so easy, but so good. Sometimes I put like walnuts in it.
Ooh.
I have some if you want me to.
Yes, for mine. Okay, and then for the hummus, how did you make it?
You take a can of chickpeas. You have 1 clove of garlic, then it's cumin, salt, lemon juice, and I think that is it.
Here are the pancakes, and they smell amazing. And Abby got baby utensils when we went to IKEA, so we're using that to eat. Morning, so I'm just going to head into work for a few hours. My hair pretty much did just another bun. I did spray my roots with the Moerie hair growth spray, and then I moisturized the ends with the ORS hair fertilizer. And then on top, I sprayed the Chi Royal treatment just to give me some nice shine. I love this stuff for just adding a nice shine to a slick bun. And actually later today I am going to wash my hair, and I'm going to try out the straightening brush, so that'll be in a separate video, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see that. But I will end the video here, and until the next one.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.